Good day. This is January the 8th of 2026, and I am Morne Botha, the American correspondent for Koppel TV. And we have some breaking news that came out in the last 24 hours. President Trump just signed a document, a memorandum, that withdrew the United States from the key climate change treaties, and about 66 other treaties that's involving, half of them involve climate change and other international treaties with other countries. And we're going to get to the question, why? Why now, and why does he do this? So he's thinking behind this is currently the United States is involved in all these dozens of treaties where the United States taxpayers, like me, have to foot up the bill to cover these treaties. Now, climate change is something that's been discussed for many, many decades. And at this stage, the Trump administration believes that those treaties and the money we spend on it is a waste of taxpayers' money. And I fully agree with him, because the money goes to different treaties, different organizations all over the world, and being used for whatever they want to use, and not necessarily always for climate change. It's going to be used for anything else as well. So what impact will that have on the world, and especially maybe on South Africa? Some of the money that goes to these treaties will go to the South African government if they're involved in one of those treaties, for example, where there's investments in certain parts of climate change development and programs to help with climate change. And most of the time, it's the United States who foot up most of the bill, most of the money. Other countries who's involved in the treaties does not necessarily bring up that much money, but the American taxpayer is covering most of the finances towards these treaties, and then obviously the money that goes out to different countries. So it simply means that every one of them that Donald Trump withdrew from, money that went to different countries for certain parts of the treaties, is not coming there anymore. People, those countries will have to find their own way if they want to continue with the treaties. Now, obviously, there's also some countries that's still in those treaties. They will continue. They will just have to find finances from somewhere else. It's not coming from the United States. So right now, Donald Trump is looking towards the United States, make the economy great again for the United States, and we could see that in the last 12 months. There's a serious increase and a stronger economy for us here in the United States. We see gas prices coming down, we see food prices coming down, inflation coming way down. So whatever he's doing out there with all these tariffs and withdrawing from these treaties is working for us right now. We're having a better life as Americans, and from there he'll start building out to see if he can spread that same joy all over the world. So that is it for now. My name, like I said, I'm Morne Botha, American correspondent for Koppel TV, and I'll see you again. Enjoy the day.